Welcome back to APUSH in under 3 minutes. No time for intros, let's get into it. So, the Mexican-American War just ended, and the US gained a massive chunk of land. This land was known as the Mexican Cession. But here's the issue. Should slavery be allowed in this new land or not? The North proclaimed no. The South, however, said yes. So yeah, we have another political crisis. There was an attempt to settle this issue early with something called the Wilmot Proviso. This was a proposal to ban slavery in all land gained from Mexico. It passed in the House where the North had more representation, but failed in the Senate where the South had enough power to block it. This failure only made sectional tensions worse, pushing the country closer to conflict. So, what would attempt to solve this issue would be the Compromise of 1850. But it was, in many ways, a messy last-ditch attempt to keep the country from falling apart. The guy behind it, you guessed it, Henry Clay. This compromise had 5 parts, and they all tried to balance free and slave state interests. First was California would become a free state. Second is that Utah and New Mexico territories got to decide on slavery themselves through voting. Third is that the slave trade was banned in Washington, D.C. Fourth was a stricter Fugitive Slave Act was passed, forcing Northerners to return escaped slaves. And 5, Texas got paid $10 million to give up some land claims. Yeah, I don't really understand that one either. The big part to know about this is the Fugitive Slave Act made Northerners furious. Even if they weren't abolitionists, they hated being forced to return enslaved people. This led to massive resistance, like the Underground Railroad working overtime, and northern states passing personal liberty laws to ignore the act altogether. Meanwhile, in the South, even though they got some wins from the compromise, they still weren't happy. They wanted an even bigger guarantee that slavery would expand. The failure of this compromise was easy to see, and this weak compromise is easily the biggest cause of the Civil War we have talked about thus far. On the screen now are some AP-style questions for this topic. Pause now. I'll put the answers on the screen now. I will see you in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, please consider becoming a channel member. Okay, I'm sorry, bye!